This is a final video to fix mods not working in Baldur's Gate 3, and I promise it's simpler than anything you've tried. Are you tired of installing mods only to see them fail or disappear in your game? This usually happens because the game files block certain mods or they're installed in the wrong folder. Many solutions you find on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that make you give up. But today, on Rexish, I'll show a secret easy trick that makes your mods work every time without messing up your game. It's quick, it's clean, and it really works. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly where to place files and what settings to change. Comment below if you want to do that, and Baldur's Gate 3 will run your favorite mods smoothly. Follow Rexish for more simple fixes like this.